Do you want to know how to harvest tall trees and plants in Grow a Garden on Roblox? In this video, I'll show you the best methods to do it. The easiest way is by using the Harvest tool, which you can buy from the gear shop. Equip the tool, click on the tall plant you want to harvest, and all of the fruit will be collected. Keep in mind that favorited fruit won't be collected, and each harvest tool only gives you 5 uses. Another option is to place climbable plants around the tall tree so you can reach the fruit. Bamboo works great because you can climb it like a ladder. In some cases, you may need to place multiple bamboo and jump between them to reach the top. Using sprinklers before planting the bamboo can also help them grow taller. You can also use cosmetics as platforms. Open your cosmetics inventory, expand it if needed, and select the cosmetic you want to place in your garden. Move and rotate the cosmetic until it forms a climbable surface. I recommend angling platforms slightly downwards so they're easier to climb. Using bamboo to support cosmetics can make positioning them much simpler. Repeat this process until you've created a path that lets you reach the fruit at the top of tall trees. And that's it! Now you know how to harvest tall plants in Grow a Garden. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like.